Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up automatic bill pay on your US bank account to ensure your bills are paid on time every month, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable autopay for your recurring expenses. Step 1. Log into your US Bank online banking account by visiting the US Bank website or opening the US Bank mobile app. Enter your username and password. Step 2. From the main dashboard, navigate to the Bill Pay or Pay Bills section. This is where you can manage all your bill payments and set up automatic payments. Step 3. If you have not yet enrolled in US Bank Bill Pay, click on Enroll in Bill Pay and follow the prompts to set up the service. Bill Pay is typically free for US Bank customers. Step 4. Once enrolled, click on Add a Payee or Add a Bill to begin adding the companies or individuals you want to pay automatically. Step 5. Enter the payee information, including the name of the company, your account number with that company, and the payee's address. US Bank has a database of common payees, so you may be able to select your payee from a list rather than entering information manually. Step 6. Choose whether you want to set up a one-time payment or recurring automatic payments. For autopay, select recurring or autopay. Step 7. Enter the payment amount. You can choose to pay a fixed amount each month or pay the full balance if the bill amount varies. Step 8. Select the payment frequency, such as monthly, bi-weekly, or quarterly, depending on your billing cycle. Step 9. Choose the payment date. You can set the payment to be sent a few days before the due date to ensure it arrives on time. Step 10. Review your autopay settings and confirm that all information is correct. Submit your setup and US Bank will automatically send payments to your payee according to your schedule. Monitor your account regularly to ensure payments are being processed correctly and update your autopay settings if your billing amounts or due dates change. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.